Guys, this look, it's for days. My glowing skin, my contour, my natural look. So guys, if you really want to see how I create this natural glow with my makeup and all, this look is for beginners. It's for people who are learning how to apply foundation and other stuff to their skin. It will be a little bit lengthy, but stay tuned and tell me what you think. And this is it, guys. My natural glowing skin. I did my brows off camera, and I'm gonna use this cream to moisturize my face. You can use any lotion of your choice. You want to get your face hydrated and moisturized before you start to put on any foundation of any sort. All right, remember your neck. Okay, now we're gonna prime our face. I have the cheapest one from the Dollar Tree, and you can use any primer of your choice. You want to go in and add a little bit to your T-zone and a little bit at the side, and that's it. You don't need much. And you want to work it into your skin. The next step to a healthy glowing skin, if you have any dark spot or dark circle under your eye, go on in with this Pro Concealer. This is an orange based concealer, and you want to go on in with it. Orange color. And that's about it. I'm gonna put a little bit up here. I'm gonna use one of the cheapest setting spray. This is Makeup and Mist from Walmart, and it's e.l.f. And I'm gonna go on in, and I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna spray a little bit on it, just like that. And then you wanna blend your concealer into place. The next step is your foundation, and I'm gonna go in with Fenty. There's a lot of foundation. You have to find the one that's good for your skin. And so this foundation, the Fenty, I'm not only putting the Fenty on my skin at this time. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. illuminating primer as well. This one will give your skin the glow. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, shake your foundation very well. I'm going to put 2 pumps. You can use more or less depending on your choice. I'm going to add 1 pump of this e.l.f. illuminating face primer. Mix it in as much as possible. Go back in with your setting spray, and you want to give your face a spray. Now I'm going to use a foundation brush. Also, I'm going to give it 2 spray. Dab, dab, and go ahead and just buff it into your skin. I'm gonna use this Pro Concealer. It's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And I'm gonna add a little bit under my eyes. Just like that. And you want to put a little bit, I put a little bit at the side of my nose, just like so, and I come down the side of my nose. Also, you want to put a little bit on your forehead. It's optional, you can do it yes or not. I'm going to put a little bit under my chin, and I'm going to put a little bit on the side of my face. This just give your highlight a more defined look, and down the center of my nose, just like that. Now we're gonna blend all this out. I'm gonna go back in with my e.l.f. setting spray, and I have a sponge, and you want to dab dab dab, and then you want to blend everything out. All right, if you're somebody who crease a lot under your eyes as you do your concealer, your highlighted area, you want to go in and set it at the same time. If the sponge dry out, go back in with your setting spray and add some more. At the same time, when you're blending, you're buffing it into your skin. So you want to dab, 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 dab. Just like that. As you can see, I start to have a cheekbone as well. Pop it. And you want to do the same thing with your nose. And so the next step, you want to go in with a setting powder, whichever kind. And I'm going to use this Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to set my highlighted areas. I'm going to use a different sponge, a dry one. You want to take a little bit at a time, and then you go on in and set. Just like so, and you set everywhere else. When you set your side of your face, come down a little bit more so it pops your cheekbone. Just like that. Voila, and that's it. You can use a stick contour just like that. It have highlight and contour, and you can go ahead and contour just around your face, the side of your nose, and under your chin. You can use that. This matte finishing powder, and I'm going to use it for my contour. Dab, 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 and then you tap it off. Tap off the excess powder, and you go on in like this, because you're going to shape it now. All right, and you can put on a lot or you can put on a little bit. And you want to come on closer up to your forehead, and you want to do the same just to get back the color in your face. I have a heart-shaped face, so some people have different shapes. You just want to snatch your face, okay? Make it popping. As you can see, my heart, it's like this. And you want to continue adding your contour, face more shape and define. All right, guys. Hide all of this. We don't want to see this. And you go right along your ear to the next ear. Take a smaller brush, and I'm gonna dab, 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 tap, 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 and I'm gonna shape my nose. You want to shape the side and come straight down like into a V. And make sure to blend it out, okay? Don't leave it like that. Blend, blend, blend. This is a finishing powder and it has glow in it. So I'm going to use this now to set my entire face. A little bit of powder, and you need a powder brush. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna tap, 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 and dab, dab, dab. And you wanna put it all over your face, your entire face, and your neck and your ears, okay? Cheap, cheap, cheap. I got this palette from the dollar store and I paid $4 for it. It's Arisposa, and I'm gonna add some blush. You choose. No. I'm gonna go in with this one here, and I'm gonna dab, 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 tap, 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 and I'm gonna add some blush to my cheekbone. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. I'm looking fine. Ooh. Ooh, yes. So let's go on in with some e.l.f. finishing spray. Yes. I'm gonna add some lashes off camera, and then I'm gonna come right back. I add my lashes, not too long, just enough for the natural look. And we're gonna go on into the highlights, and this highlight is Arisposa from the Dollar Tree, $1.25, yes. And it looks somewhat like this. And we're gonna add some highlight. You wanna highlight the side, your cheekbone. Ooh, girl, tell me this is from the Dollar Tree. Highlight the next. Ooh, wow, yes. Work it, highlight, work it. And you want to add a little bit onto your forehead. And I'm gonna add a little bit onto my chin. Yes. I'm gonna rub my finger on it, and I'm gonna add a little bit onto my nose. Ooh, guys, is this from the Dollar Tree? And I'm gonna round a little bit up here. Ooh. Oh no, you're not saying it. Now for my lips, and I'm all done. I'm gonna use this brown eyeliner or lip pencil, and I'm gonna go in with this pinkish lipstick, and then I'm gonna add some lip gloss. All right. So my peeps, this is the final result. Can you see this glow on this girl? Like natural. Look at it. Oh, like I don't even have any makeup on. My jawbone popping. Highlights for days. And I just add a nude lip. I just put some brown and some nudish pink lipstick and a lip gloss over it. Look at it, guys, simple and nice. This is good for any occasion. And then you can add some eyeshadow at a later date or before if you want to glam it up. But this is a simple look with some good old glowing skin, natural and cheap product as possible. And this is the final look again, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. And put God first. Mwah. Bye guys.